Alright guys, so it's me Ryan here, and today I'm being joined by this guy called Fateh.
Hey!
So you'll be wondering what we are doing in this room. Basically today we are upgrading his computer. So originally he had a full mini ATX build on his computer, which is a Ryzen 1600 along with used to be 1060, now Vega 64. So we are gonna upgrade it to a Ryzen 2700X with a Vega 64. Then I'm passing him my RAM along with all his hard drives, and he's building it all in the Thermaltake Core V21.
Yeah!
Which is that thing behind me. It looks pretty good. Alright guys, so for the first part of the build, we are gonna have to disassemble the computer because the original computer, we're using some parts of it like the hard drives, the motherboard, the M.2 drive, the cooler, so we can take out all those first, then eventually migrate them over to the Thermaltake Core V21. So at this moment, we are going to start the disassembly. That's all. Alright, out she goes. Come on man, out she goes.
Woo! You're strip naked, bro!
And it's a boy!
Oh my god. This is the important part of this build. We should put somewhere.
Yeah, it's the motherboard, and then you know, like, cause motherboards are like really not that important, so you can put the motherboard on the bed, which is anti-static surface, so you can fry your motherboard. Yeah, it's a good thing. You should do that. It definitely works a lot. So yeah, only the hard drive to take out, power supply to take out, the fans I think we're leaving in here.
Oh, my lead cam.
And then we can finally get to building in the Thermaltake Core V1. But first we need to swap out CPU too. Alright guys, so we have installed everything else in the case. The motherboard is prepped, as you guys heard the AMSR. So now we're gonna install the motherboard into the Thermaltake Core V21. They're slapping on the IO shield right now.
Woo! Look at this dusty IO shield.
You can see this guy's playing music now as a system. So overall, the parts of the system is very interesting. It's a Vega 64. Then the casing is a Thermaltake Core V21. Ryzen 2700X, 16 gigs of RAM. Then that's about it. There's a MSI motherboard they've been using, a B350M by MSI, which is the mortar version, which is quite nice. Has some red accent along with the Strix Vega 64. Then the Prism cooler of the 2700X really does give this build some character. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and you will see this guy being very happy. Yeah.